Good morning. It's day 6 in Belize, I think. Anyways, we about to get ready to go to church, and I guess praise the Lord there. Hopefully, it's cooler in church. But anyhow, I'm ready to fucking go. This bitch got air conditioning. We don't. I'm ready to fucking go. I'm over here kissing and hugging a goddamn fan. But anyhow, hopefully church is lovely. I will show y'all my outfit for church. I'm giving African vibes today. African with a machete. But yeah, African vibes today. I'm okay. Anyways, I'm gonna do a little yoga, wash up your dress, because I gotta be ready in 30 minutes. Anyhow, thank God I did my hair already. But yeah, we'll be back. I'll be back. Something like that. I don't know if y'all can really see me like that, but yes, this is the church outfit of today. Red shirt, little African skirt, my little sandals, because what it is here, hot as hell. We're trying to be cool. I have on a netted bra because it's too hot for anything else. Yeah. The church bus is running a little late, but you know what I'm saying? We're gonna get the one of these days. Yeah. You see me? Cute. I got the clear bag today because the other bag broke. Yeah. The strap on the other bag broke. This is what I get for buying a $20 pocketbook from Ross. Yes. Oh, I forgot. Savannah is cute today too. This is her church outfit. Yes, get into the look. We cute. We just about to be hot as hellhounds, okay? Baby, hate it here. Should have been at a resort. What a masseuse. Some big buff nigga just rubbing on us. Currently at the hospital.
Non so quello che succede, facciamo la sistema.
Man, don't come to this hospital. This is a death trap. I ain't never seen no shit like this. Got my lime juice. It's so good.
We're off tomorrow.